In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and link to a bookmark in Google Docs, a handy feature that can help you navigate long documents quickly and efficiently. Imagine working on a sprawling report or a detailed project with numerous sections and needing to jump between them without endless scrolling. This is where bookmarks come into play, making your navigation seamless and efficient. Let's start by opening the Google Docs document where you'd like to insert this bookmark. Ensure you've accessed the right document, and if you haven't already, pause the video and take a moment to do so. Once opened, scroll through your document to locate the specific section where you'd like to place your bookmark. This is usually a spot in your document that you'll want to navigate back to easily, so choose wisely based on your document's structure and flow. Next, position your cursor right at the beginning of the text where you'd like to set your bookmark. This is a crucial step, as the bookmark acts as an anchor point to which you'll be linking later. Now, look at the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on Insert, and you'll see a drop-down menu with various options. Go ahead and select Bookmark from this menu. When you do this, a small blue bookmark icon will appear beside the text you've selected, confirming that you've successfully inserted a bookmark. Now that your bookmark is in place, let's link to it. Begin by selecting the specific text in your document that you want to use as a clickable link. This is going to be the text that anyone reading your document will click on to be taken directly to your bookmarked section. Once you've highlighted this text, return to the menu bar and click on Insert again. This time, from the drop-down menu, select Link. You'll see a dialog box pop up, inviting you to search or paste a link. Ignore this for now, and look further down in that box where you'll find an option for bookmarks. Click on this, and you'll see a list of all the bookmarks you've created in the document. Simply select the one you wish to link to, and then click Apply. Congratulations! The text you selected is now a clickable link. This means anyone reading your document can easily jump to the section you bookmarked with just one click, enhancing navigation and ensuring a smoother reading experience. This feature is especially beneficial in lengthy texts or collaborative documents where clear referencing is key. So there you have it. You've now mastered the art of inserting and linking to bookmarks in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial will enhance your document organization and productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy bookmarking.